problem is front left side marker lamp. Look at what that looks like. That one's working. The left one is not working. That's the one we're gonna fix. So the part for it sells in a set from AutoZone. Some light.
Hey, Daddy.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we go up the fire place?
There you go. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Part number 2827. There you go. Long life. To get to it, the side marker, just gotta remove this little rubber piece right here. This lifts up, you set it out to the side. And then this thing, try to cut on this clip, there's a clip right here. So you pull this up, here's the clip, you hit the clip, and it pulls right out, and it fit into that hole right there. This is what that clip looks like. So you're just pushing that clip in to get those two things through that hole, just like that. And then next, find this piece right here. There's a little tab right there. It's flat, pointed about 3 and 9, and you twist it towards the car. And if you do that, and now it's up. So I'm gonna let that piece. I don't know how well this is gonna show up on here. This one. And then it just pulls out. And that is the bulb that went out. All right. So this literally pops out. You don't have to unscrew it. It just comes straight out. And I don't have anything to hold the. I'm doing this with one hand. Look at that. Pops right out. And that's the bad one. And then you take the good one. I'm gonna set the camera down real quick. And you'll pop it in. You can see the slots on the inside. And just lining it up. I'm gonna put the GoPro down and do that real quick. All right, there's the new one on. And we're gonna go back to here. And that should be it. So if I start the car, things should be illuminated. And that light should be off. No messages, but it still takes a minute even if it were to come back on. But it won't, because now it's on. Very simple. The whole thing costs less than $9, and technically I could do the other one, which I might anyways. But yeah, never came back.